welcome back to the channel. Today I am sharing with you exactly what to eat in a day for sustainable weight loss. No starving, no fad diets, no cutting everything you love. If you're tired of restrictive plans and want realistic daily routine that keeps you full and energized, then this is for you. Let's jump right into full day of balanced satisfying meals for long-term result. Section first, the foundation. Before we get into the meal, here are 3 pillars of sustainable weight loss. First, protein at every meal that keeps you full and stabilize hunger. Second, fiber-rich food like veggies, whole grain and beans. Third, healthy fats like nuts, seeds, olive oil, etc. These help you eat less naturally without feeling like you are dieting. Section second, breakfast. Start your day with balanced breakfast that include protein, fiber and healthy carbs. Here are 3 simple options. First, Greek yogurt power bowl. 1 cup of Greek yogurt, half cup of berries, 1 to 2 taps of chia or flax seeds. These gives you protein, fiber and antioxidant to keep you satisfied for hours. Second, veggies omelette plus toast. 2 to 3 eggs, spinach, pepper, onion and add little avocado and take 1 slice whole grain toast. This gives you long lasting fullness. Third, balanced smoothie. Blend protein powder, handful of spinach, half banana and add almond milk or water. Section third, mid-morning snack. Mid-morning snack can keep your blood sugar stable and prevent overeating at lunch. Choose something with protein or fiber. Food options like apple with peanut butter, handful of nuts and boiled eggs and few grapes. Section 4, lunch. For lunch, aim for balanced plate like half veggies, quarter protein, quarter carbs plus healthy fats. First, power bowl. Base like mixed grain, protein like chicken, tofu, beans and then healthy fats like avocado or olive oil and veggies like broccoli, cucumber and carrot. Second, hearty soup combo. Lentil or chicken veggie soup plus side salad or whole grain salad. Soups are naturally satisfying and great for weight loss. Section 5, afternoon snack. The afternoon is when craving hits. Instead of reaching for chips or sweet, choose something that keeps hunger steady. Great options like carrot, protein bar with low added sugar, cheese roll and then slices of fruits. Keep it balanced, not sugary. Section 6, dinner. Dinner should be filling but not heavy. Focus on protein and vegetable with moderate serving carbs. First, roasted veggies like broccoli, carrot plus small serving of potato or rice. Second, stir fry. Chicken or tofu, mixed vegetable, light sauce and then brown rice. The veggies add volume and protein keeps you full. Third, lean protein plate. Grilled chicken, green beans or salad or sweet potato. Simple, balanced and perfect for evening. Section 7, evening treat. Yes, you can have dessert. Sustainable weight loss means not restricting everything you love. Try piece of dark chocolate, Greek yogurt with honey and low calorie ice cream. Let yourself enjoy small treat without guilt. Section 8, hydration plus beverages. Drink throughout the day water, tea or coffee with light addition. Many people confuse thirst with hunger, so staying hydrated helps reduce craving. And that's full day of eating for sustainable weight loss. Simple meals, balanced snack and no feeling deprived. If you want printable version or 7-day plan or grocery list to go with this video, let me know, I will create for you. Thanks for watching and remember, consistency beats perfection every time. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.